queen, the boss with the swagger and grace, hypnotizing, death-defying, electrifying, and heart soul pompifying. I know this. Marissa Harlett, all hail the queen, the boss, the goddess. She healed my broken heart. She healed my broken soul. She fixed a part of me that I never knew was alive before. Woo! She wakes me up, wants me preaching the gospel, baby. As we bring our truth to light, I bring everything I got, heart and soul. You bring your passion, you bring your desire. Woo-wee! Breathtakingly gorgeous, magnificently shining. In 4 parts, baby. You know my beautiful mind starts rolling because I'm rocking with my home team. That is Sam Crow, the Sons of Anarchy. And we are the Sons of Liberty, True North Original Family. Live, baby. Good morning, Pakistan. Thank you for this goddess. Thank you for this queen. I'm not crying. You're crying. Oh, God. Buckle in. Here it comes. My favorite part. Woo! Check the ball. Let's take a ride. Yes, indeed. Buckle in. Let's see if my heart can make it. Oh! Oh, God. Oh, baby. Oh! Oh, Lord, I'm coming to see you. I love Akabah. Woo! Damn. Damn. Oh, man. If that doesn't take your breath away, I don't know what will. Wow. Marissa Harlett. She shines. Her views is so bright. We have to wear shades. I love you all. And every single one. Hugs. Kisses. Stay strong. Stay beautiful. And stay unique after.